Yağmur Yüksel said goodbye to the TV series Blood Flowers. The actor made an emotional statement. Yüksel said, "There are some stories, they are not just a scenario. The more you get into it, the more you grow, you laugh with it, you cry with it. Blood Flowers is not just a TV series for me, it was one of the most special journeys of my life. My first TV series, my first journey. This journey, I did not play Dylan Karabi, I became Dylan Karabi. I loved, fought and grew with him. Dylan went through a lot and many of the pains he experienced were real. Playing was hard, feeling was even harder. But Dylan became the voice of every woman who stood tall in life. And Baron Karabi, despite the storms inside him, he chose love instead of hatred and mercy instead of revenge. We told about a love born of hatred. For 2.5 years, we got tired, we laughed, we cried, but most importantly, we became a family. I would like to thank Dylan Karabi. Because of his strength, stubbornness, not giving up and never forgetting to smile no matter what. I would like to thank Baron Karabi. Because we experience what true love feels like. Thank you very much, my partner Baris Bakhtas. Thank you to Blood Flowers. You will always be special for giving me firsts. I would like to thank our producers, directors and the whole team. I would like to thank my actor friends. It was very valuable to share this story with you. I'm glad I met you. And you, our valued viewers and fans. Thank you endlessly for all your support, for living this story with us, for embracing Dylan and Baron as your own story, for hosting us in your homes every day. Blood Flowers will always be my first and always special. My first pain was my school, my family. Blood flowers do not fade. Even though the wind blows, time passes, and scenes darken, stories that leave a mark always live on. This is a farewell, but also a memory. With love forever, he said.